Welcome to Introduction to Continuous Delivery. I'm Ben Lambert, and I'll be your instructor for this course. In this course, we're going to talk about continuous delivery. The goal of the course is to introduce you to continuous delivery and the concepts around it, so that in future courses we can do a deep dive into specific areas and build on the knowledge that we've learned here. So, we'll start with an overview of what continuous delivery is, and we'll move on to talk about code level requirements for continuous delivery. And after that, we'll talk about monoliths and microservices. And then we'll compare mutable versus immutable servers. And after talking about all of these facets, we'll review some actual deployment methods. And then we'll move on to review what tools are available to help create a continuous delivery process. And at that point, with a pretty high level understanding of continuous delivery, we'll put together a review of what we've learned, and we'll go from code to production. And then we'll end with a wrap-up video that covers the high-level takeaways from the course. So, I do make some assumptions that you're at least familiar with either development or operations. You could take this course without either. However, there are some areas of the lectures that may not be as easy to follow without that baseline knowledge. Here's what you should get out of this course. By the end of the course, you'll be able to define continuous delivery and continuous deployment. You'll be able to describe some of the code level changes that will help support continuous delivery. You'll be able to describe the pros and cons for monoliths and microservices. You'll be able to explain blue-green deployments and canary deployments. You'll be able to explain the pros and cons for mutable versus immutable servers. And you'll be able to identify some of the tools that are involved in continuous delivery. I like to point out at the beginning of a course that you can adjust the speed of the videos by clicking on the speed button on the bottom of the video player. So play around with that and find the settings that are right for you. We're going to cover a lot of information in the next hour, and it should be a lot of fun. So if this course sounds interesting to you, let's dive in.